What's up guys, it's Mark and I'm back with another video. But in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a redstone door, or the door like when you step on a pressure plate you can go without actually seeing a door. Alright, first in Minecraft. Go to Minecraft. Alright, this is how it's gonna be looking like. You open and close the door like this, right? First of all, you need redstone, your block of choice, sticky piston, redstone torch, and this thing, redstone repeater. Alright, let's start. First, you have to place 3 sticky pistons and 3 blocks of your choice, just like that. Count to 1, 2, and put in these 3 blocks. There, you can gonna put it here. What's that? Okay. Now I'm gonna place a redstone torch here and block on top of it, and now you place the same here. Alright, and then you will take your redstone, put it on your block like that. Alright, there it is. Alright, and then dig underneath it. Alright. And put redstone in this order. Just see here like that. Just go place like a block here, I guess. No. Think redstone. I think. Yeah, like that. You put redstone here and the redstone repeater. No. And then put redstone and then the repeater. Go out. Alright, place these. And then take your pressure plates, place them on both sides. Yeah, and then take blocks, place them there. And there you have it. And then fill it. I made this. Look, after I filled it, I made this thing. I made this house. It's pretty nice. Look at it, the entrance. Then I placed a lot of blocks there and there. Press on the button, come inside, and you will. Let's have a little tour. We have here our beds. We have here our bed. These things over here, and we have our beautiful roof there. It's a nice looking roof. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe if this was helpful. easy. I had to try it a lot of times and stuff like that. Yeah, see, it's not the best thing ever. You know, it needs some time. It needs some time, a lot of times actually. Yeah, it needs a lot of tries. You have to work hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.